Today we're going to demonstrate how to install our Ayla Lighting H13 UM LED model headlight bulbs. Included in the package is an Allen wrench and an information booklet, along with your LED lights. First, let me show you the correct way the bulb should be installed. This is the only way the bulb should be installed into the housing. By saying that, we mean first, when installing the bulb, it needs to go inside the housing with the LED chips vertically, facing the left and right side. Since it's a dual filament bulb, the LED chip that is positioned slightly behind the other needs to be on bottom. This is the high beam chip, and it needs to be on a lower position because the light shines downward and reflects upward. For the low beam, you want the LED chips in a higher position so that the light beam is reflected downward towards the road. This is the only way the bulb should be installed. Next, we're going to demonstrate the wrong way to install the bulb. Okay, with the bulb now installed in the housing, notice how the chips look. They are vertical positions, left and right, but the high and the low beams are reversed. The high beam is positioned back behind the other chip. With this position, the LEDs are installed incorrectly. To fix this issue, we need to rotate the LED by 180 degrees. So right now, this is the wrong way the LED was installed into the housing, with the high beam on the top and the low beam on the bottom. In this case, we need to do an adjustment of 180 degrees, but for your vehicle, it may vary. So using the Allen wrench, unscrew the screw on the adjustment bracket. After you remove the screw, use one hand to hold the adjustment bracket and the other hand to hold the LED body. Twist the LED body so that the pigtail is positioned at the 6 o'clock position. As you can see here, the bottom LED chip is positioned back a bit further than the top. This is the high beam. The reason the high beam is deeper inside the housing is so that the light is reflected further onto the road. For the low beam, you want the LED chips in a higher position so that the light beam is reflected downward towards the road. This is the only way the bulb should be installed. Go ahead and put the screw back. Twist clockwise to lock the bulb into the housing, with the two low beams vertical left and right and the high beam on the bottom. This is the correct way to install this model LED bulb.